सुनिए। मेरा नाम है अदिति, मैं 10th में पढ़ती हूँ और मैं स्केटिंग भी करती हूँ। स्केटिंग में मैं दिल्ली टू जयपुर 257 किलोमीटर।
मेरा नाम राजीव नारंग है। मैं बीकॉम कर चुका हूँ। मेरे पास गवर्नमेंट जॉब है।
It is known as the invisible disability. Unlike other disabilities, it is not immediately apparent. We notice hearing impairment only when we cannot communicate with another person in the normal way. When a child cannot hear sounds, she cannot pick up language. She can only make inarticulate sounds. And society dismisses her with the cruel tag of being deaf and dumb. This is so wrong. We at Sunye know that all hearing impaired children can be educated and trained to become responsible, valuable members of society. And we are determined to prove this over and over again.
I am a parent of a hearing impaired boy, Vijay. When my wife and I used to go to All India Institute trying to help him, we used to meet several parents similarly placed. So we decided that we should form a group or a society so that we can help more and more people. And we decided to name it Sunye.
We believe that sign language may equip hearing impaired people to communicate with each other, but it does not empower them to be assimilated into the society of those who can hear and speak. Sign language cannot enable a hearing impaired child to attend a normal school. We believe that a hearing impaired child can and must be taught to speak. When a child arrives at Sunye, we first speak to and counsel the parents. The role of the parents and extended family cannot be overstated. Their care and commitment has to be unconditional. The child is then taken to an audiometry room to determine the extent of hearing loss. The heartening fact is that even children with profound hearing loss have some residual hearing, and they can be taught language with a hearing aid and extensive training techniques. With the support of the Rotary Club of Delhi Heritage, Delhi Junior Chamber and other donors, we provide children from low-income families with hearing aids completely free of charge and introduce them to the world of sound. We talk to them constantly, connecting a word to an object, connecting a name to a color, and so on.
जब पहली बार हमारे पास बच्चा फ्रेशर आता है तो पेरेंट्स को कुछ नहीं पता होता उसके बारे में, तो पेरेंट्स को हम समझाते हैं कि आपके बच्चे को हेयरिंग प्रॉब्लम है। वो टेस्ट रिपोर्ट्स हमारे पास लेकर आते हैं, तो उनको हम हेयरिंग एड उस लेवल की लगवाने को कहते हैं। अगर गरीब बच्चा है तो हम उसको प्रोवाइड भी करते हैं हेयरिंग एड। तो उसके बाद उनको सिखाते हैं कि इसको स्पीच थेरेपी जो लैंग्वेज है वो देना ज़रूरी है ताकि इसकी भाषा का विकास हो सके।
Our team at Sunye is comprised of parents, educators, and speech therapists trained in the best institutes in the country. A teaching plan is drawn up for each child individually and explained to the parents.
बच्चा जो है आवाज़ में फ़र्क नहीं कर पाता, उसके लिए हम कई तरीके अपनाते हैं। सबसे पहले शुरू और आसान तरीका ये है कि हम उसे आवाज़ की पहचान चम्मच द्वारा, घंटी बजाकर, ड्रम बजाकर उसे आवाज़ की पहचान कराते हैं।
हम उनके साथ ये फ्लैश कार्ड बनाकर उनको दिखाते हैं कि यह आम है, यह सेब है, यह केला है। हम पूरे सेंटेंस में बात करते हैं लेकिन बच्चा शॉर्ट में समझ जाता है आम बोलने पर, और यहाँ पर लिप रीडिंग और फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन भी मस्ट है।
We undertake home visits to train and counsel the family members. We take the children on outings to the zoo, on picnics, to the railway station. We organize many social events at the school and outside where the children take part in a variety of cultural activities.
We should tell the society, treat the child as a normal child so that he or she can be a part of the mainstream later on.
We help our students to gain admission in mainstream schools and meet the teachers there to advise them. The objective is to make them comfortable, competent, and confident wherever they go.
In running an organization like Suniye, there are several challenges. The first challenge we face is the availability of good teachers. The second challenge we face is how to reach out to such children. As per an estimate of the government of India, about 1% of the population is hearing impaired, and a majority of them are children. Now, even to reach out to a fraction of them, it requires people, it requires good teachers. In the end, it requires money. And in the absence of all these, it becomes a big challenge how to reach out to them.
मेरा नाम टोनम मैकमैन है। मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ती हूँ। मैं बीए तक पढ़ाई करती हूँ।
मेरा नाम गौरव गुप्ता, 12th पास, और मैं पापा के साथ काम करता हूँ।
Hi, I am Tinu Madan. I have a bachelor degree in information technology from Delhi College of Engineering and a master's degree in computer engineering from University of Florida in US. And I've also worked for 1 year in US at Bloomberg in New York City. And I quit my job to start my own venture.
सबसे खुशी हमें तब होती है जब हमारे बच्चों को उनके माता पिता की हमारी आवश्यकता नहीं होती है। वो स्वतंत्र रूप से जाके समाज में अपना स्थान प्राप्त करते हैं।
मेरा नाम नितेश बंसल है। मैंने बीकॉम पास किया है और मैं अपना ऑप्टिकल शॉप चला रहा हूँ। सुनिए में मैं अराउंड 3 या 4 साल का था, उस टाइम मैं आया था। आज मैं जो भी हूँ सुनिए की बदौलत ही हूँ।